So I want to use this video to teach you what short method in solving stoichiometry. Although I've done series of video on stoichiometry calculation, which I use dimension analysis. Some people just still understand that aspects. So I really want to use this method, video to show you a shorter method. Follow me closely. I want to focus on one aspect which is called mole-to-mole relationship. That is the mole of a substance will be given to you, and you have to calculate what mole of another substance, just like the one displayed on the board. Here's a balanced reaction. Now, before you can solve any question on stoichiometry, first of all, you must balance the chemical equation. Do you get that? So here's what the balanced chemical equation. So let's check the first question. I'm going to use here to solve the question. So what is the mole of Al2O3 produced when 6.5 mole of aluminum react with oxygen? Look at something here. They're asking about mole of this guy, and here was what mole of this compound here. Do you get that? So I'm going to focus on my mole. So I'm focusing on this guy and this guy here. So these are the balanced mole. 4 mole, 2 mole. So here I'm going to write 4 mole of what Al is equals to what 2 moles of what Al2O3. Do you see that? Now they're asking what is the mole of Al2O3 produced. So here I have X mole of what Al2O3 produced. Do you see that? Then they give us 6.5 mole of what aluminium. So you have 6.5 mole of what Al. So what I want to do here, you are going to cross multiply. This understand that this guy will cancel out this guy, and this will cancel out this one here. So what I'm left with is 4 over what 6.5 equals to what 2 over what x. This is that. So when you cross multiply now, what will happen here? X equals to what 6.5 times 2 over what 4. What you want to do here is to use your calculator to punch your answer and get your. Use your calculator to punch the value and get your answer. Here we have 6.5 times 2 divided by what 4. Here we have 3.25 moles. That is the answer. You can see how easy it is. So let's look at the second question here. I'm going to solve this one here. You will try this one for me. Solve it and put your answer at the comment section. It's very, very important. So calculate the mole of O2 that will produce 3.7 mole of what? Al2O3. So they're talking about mole of what? O2 and this one here. So for the balance relationship, how many moles do you have here? Let me write it out. I know you have here we have 3 moles of what? O2, oxygen gas. 3 moles of what? O2. Do you see that? Oxygen gas is equal to what? 2 moles of what? Of Al2O3. Can you see that? Now they ask now calculate the moles of O2. So here it's going to be, because this is what they asked us to look for, so it's still going to be X mole of what O2. Do you understand? Now the main reason why it's X mole is because that is what we are looking for. So it's going to become what X mole of what O2 equal to. Now they gave us what 3.7 mole of what Al2O3. So it's going to be 3.7 moles of what Al2O3. You find that this guy will cancel out this one here, and this will cancel out this guy here. So here I have 3 over what x equals to what 2 over 3.7. This is that. So when I do that, s is going to be what 3 times 3.7 over what 2. Punch your calculator to get your answer. So here I have 5.55 moles. Now, do you know the reason why it's mole? Because they are looking for a mole of O2. So that is here I can say that mole of what O2 is equal to what 5.55 moles. That is the answer. So you can see how easy and short this method look like. So go ahead, try this one for me. I don't want this video to be too lengthy. My next video is going to be what mass to mass relationship. We are going to explain it like this for you. So subscribe to the channel if you have not done that, and follow me on TikTok if you want to be seeing some of my short chemistry videos. Thanks for watching. Make sure you don't miss the next video.